Hi everyone. Today our topic is how to run distributed load testing in Apache JMeter tool GUI mode remote testing. Okay, remote testing or distributed load testing. Okay, both are same names only different, but you need to run the distributed method used to you need to run the remote test in Apache JMeter tool. This is the our today topic. Okay. First of all, you need to run the any distributed load testing. There is some prerequisites. Okay, I will explain one by one. I will show you one. JMeter distributed testing. You can go to the image. It will show clearly. Um, yes, you can take this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is the distributed testing architecture. This one how you need to work now. First of all, this is the master system. Master means you are using system. Your script, test data, everything is available. Na? This is the system. This is the master system. We'll consider another name is master or slave systems. Na? Is the master system. This is the slave systems. Slave systems means same configuration only, same systems only. It's considered load generators. This is the target server. Target server means the script you will provide the some script will be recorded. Na? There is some IP address and port numbers available. Na? That is our target server or application server or a server under test. Anything you need to call this is the main one box or server only. You need to example you will perform the performance testing means that is you need to perform the all the testing is under server only. You did not test to the application. Okay, application testing is different. Okay, server testing is different. Everyone usually you need to do load everything input onto the only server only, not for the application. You need to do any application testing, application performance testing. That time you not able to do any in JMeter tool. You can go to the Selenium is the best tool. Selenium WebDriver, and you need to automate the which application means which business flow you need to automate. You can take the XPath everything you need to take in, and you need to automate that one. Once automation will be completed, the same script only you need to convert to the your JMeter tool. All the things you need to mention to the in JMeter. After you need to give the load and you need to test. That time what will happen now, the script everything will be executed now. Every user is generated one separate browser and he will perform the operations. That time you need to exactly the application testing you need to done. Okay, that is the application side testing. This is server under testing. Okay, in reality application point of view in a real-time system means a company or our general practice how we need to do this work now. This is the architecture. First of all, you can take one system. Okay, that mission you have full admin rights. That is the master system. You need to call master system. After you need to take the example three load generators. Three load generators means same configuration only, same servers only, same OS, everything is same only. There is no any difference. Okay, you need to take the three example only. Three you need to take. It's not required any admin rights. You have a system permission. You can log in and log out. That is enough. This is the target server. Target server that IP address or host name, everything you know already. Okay. Okay. First of all, what you need to do now? First of all, you need to script everything you need to prepare it before only. Okay, and test data setup everything will be done after. Which version of the JMeter will be installed? Same version of JMeter only need to install the remaining three load generators also, and all the missions in same network. Example, you run to the practicing purpose in your computer in same Wi-Fi network na, that time it's a same network. In company point of view, there are different routes available in network side. In company there are so many people who will working na, that time it's a network team will created the routes will be given. Routes means some companies will provided the route level DLLs will provided. That time you need to raise the any service now ticket, and you need to mention the select to the which category. Based on your category you need to select, and you need to submit the request, and you need to clearly mention these are the missions I need to perform some performance testing. You need to mention clearly I need same network, means you need to provide the IP address. Means IP address means it's a port level will provided, and some companies will provided DLL level will provided. Okay, DLLs means it's nothing but you will configure to the all the things in one route. Okay, your mail ID or your employee ID based will provided. Okay, example, mission is same only, but once you need to log in na, you log in, example your username and password you enter, you log in na, automatically the route will be connected. Okay, that is by default automatically route will be moved. Okay, the admin team only will doing, you also able to do, but your company did not provide any admin rights. That way all the missions in same network. After all the missions you need to install the same version of Java. Example, now JMeter version is 5.4, and Java also Java 15 so many is there, but Java 1.8 will be worked properly without any issues. Okay, you need to install the all the versions in Java, and the script will preparation done. Script is set up in master machine only. Remember, script will set up only master machine only. No need to set up to the slave. Okay. After test data. Test data you need to provide all the missions. It's a mandatory. Test data only you need to provide the all the missions. Without test data, it's not able to work. Which location you need to provide the in master mission in test data? Same location only you need to provide the slave missions also. Okay. Once you need to provide the all the test data, you need to run the distributed testing. Okay, distributed testing, how we need to work na? It's a different format. Example, uh, in JMeter, example, you need to run the 80 users. Okay, 80 users you need to run the test. That time you don't given to directly in master mission 80. That it did not work. You need to give the 20. You need to give the 20 users in master mission. Master mission will work to the 20 users will be generated, and the remaining slave, every slave will be generated 20 20. First 20, remaining 20 40, after 60 80, total 80 users will be generated. This is the way only will work to the Apache JMeter distributed mode testing or remote testing. And all the things will set up and done, you need to start the load test na. That time in JMeter the script will reflect it to the all the slave missions, and users will be reflected same only, and all the request large level of load will be generated and hit to the server. That time you will done the proper performance testing designing. On the same time the all the request will hit to the server na, he will provide the response, means based on configurations and setups, how the working to the web app DB servers, he will provide the response. Means is able to provide or not any issues. That time you able to find out the issues. Okay, this is the way you need to perform the distributed load testing in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, this is the main concept. This is the master system. This is the slave system. This is the target server. Now you need to go to the JMeter site. JMeter user manual. You can go to user manual. No? You can select the first one only. Okay, this one. Go to remote testing. Okay, same only. What I told, same only is available this place also. Our target is remote testing. Okay, in remote testing, you can go this one. Note the same test plan is run by all the servers. JMeter does not distribute the load between servers. Each run full test plan. So if you set 1000 threads means users, and have a 6 JMeter servers. Servers means is a load generators. 6 servers. One server 1000 will be set up. 1000 means 6000 will be running. You end up injecting the 6000 threads. Okay, I am already told na in graph also 20 users will run 20 20 20. That way only will work. That is the first one. After this is the configuration node. I will show you how we need to work to the setup everything. This is only GUI mode only. You can see, you can go to the run under remote start and go to 127.0.0.1. Okay, I will show you how we need to do this one also. After there is a setting of SSL. SSL means you need to generate some security keys. Example, create RMI keystore.bat. Example, there is some JKS files available in JMeter. Anything you need to run the distributed testing, he will ask. Otherwise, the certificate is already expired. That time you need to click on to the create -rmi keystore.bat file. Double click na, he will open the this type of one. Uh, this type of window will be generated, and the major consider is you can see which default is RMI na. You will do only first name and last name. You need to provide the RMI. After you can provide anything, no problem. Finally you can ask to the everything is right, yes, and you will ask to the password and retype the password. The password is change it. You can see there is a password. Password is change it. CHANGEIT. Change it. You need to provide a password and retype password. It's done. Automatically keystore.jks file will be automatically will generated to the in JMeter bin directory. Okay, that time the type of errors it did not occur. Okay, this file only will generated. You can see bin RMI keystore.jks file will be generated. JMeter bin directory. Okay. Okay, now this point of view will be done. Um, Now I need to go to the main test. Now we need to open to the JMeter tool. I will open JMeter. Okay, this is the bin folder, guys. This is the main bin folder. All the setups, everything is available this place only. You need to remember. First, I need to open the JMeter. Okay, this is my JMeter. I'm already prepared one small script. Script name is parameterization. Okay, only few steps only. Script is JPEG store only. JPEG store application. Okay. Okay. Now I need to run the distributed testing. This is only one computer only. It's not available multiple computers. But I will show you how you need to perform to the distributed load testing. What are the settings you need to done? First of all, you can go to the your search bar. You can type the CMD. Open. Okay. In Windows computer, you can type the IP config. Okay, how we need to find out the IP address? Na? There is the one IPv4 address and IPv6 and IPv4. You can find out first one. Example, there is no any IPv6 or something. Na? Example, this is IPv4. First one. You can see wireless LAN adapter, local area connection, and a connection specific DNS suffix. And this is only one only available IPv4 address. This is my IPv4 address. Name is 192.168.137.1. This is my IPv4 address for my computer. Otherwise, second way, host name. You can type the directly in host name in command prompt. Na? Host name. Yeah. Desktop pg1uqtc. Okay. This is my host name. You can provide any one. It will be work. But most of the time you need to provide the IPv4 only you need to provide. Means IP address you need to provide. Okay. This is the way you need to uh, find out your mission IP address. Okay. After you can go to first bin folder. In bin folder, you need to do some by default configurations. First of all, you need to go to the JMeter properties file. How we need to find out? Now you can see there is a properties file, but this one hc dot parameter. This is not one. You can go to this is the properties file. Yes, this is the properties file. JMeter properties file. Just double click na you will open. You need to open na. You can just press the Control F. You can type the remote host. You can type the remote host and click on find it. Yeah, you will find it. You can see name is remote host and RMI configuration. Remote host and RMI configuration. Okay, this is the name. This place it's already available. You can see remote host comma delimited. Remote host is equal to 127.0.0.1. But you need to take your computer IP address only. Okay. The same time, how we need to provide na remote host is equal to local host. Local host means this is the local host. You need to provide the 127.0.0.1 colon. By default, JMeter port number is 1099. Okay. I will take in this one. It's a, everything Ash will provide. Na? Ash will provide. It's not working. I will take this one. I will mention this one. Remote underscore host is equal to my system IP address 192.168.137.1. You need to provide the any multiple IP address, multiple missions. Na? Just you need to mention to the comma. How you need to mention na comma? Same only mention to the comma remaining IP address, comma remaining IP address, comma remaining IP address. That way you need to provide. Okay. This is the configuration of the IP addresses to the distribution configuration. After you can go to some little bit down. I will show you remaining also. On the same time, in these files and in properties files that are the type of files, you need to check what the people in developers how we need to return this all the things how we need to work um, in our reports point of view, remind all the things now how we need to work. You need to check that one. That time only you able to fully understand the JMeter how we need to work. Any type of issue will become na, you can easily understand. You can solve that one. Yeah, you can see. You can see there is a one na, set this if you do not want to use SSL for RMI. Example, this RMI configuration. Okay, this RMI configuration you will provide the that IP address. Na, I will tell you. You can see by default server dot RMI dot SSL dot disable is equal to false. It's activated, but it's already hash will provided not work. But I will select to the server dot RMI dot SSL dot disable is equal to true. I will provide, but I am also hash will provide. The reason it's not required to me. This is only demo purpose testing. No? That reason I am not using. You need to use any port numbers that time. You need to activate this one. You need port number. Multiple missions. You need to use the port number. That time you can activate this one. The RMI is disabled na, okay, that time you able to use the port numbers. The RMI disable is true, you not required the any port numbers, you can directly just IP address you will provide, it is enough. But both I will committed. The reason this is just demo test, it's not required. Okay, these two settings will be done. Okay, the port number means this one 1099, you need to use that one will false, you need to activate. You did not use, true will be activated. This demo test it's not required anything, just I will mention only one IP address only. You need multiple address, you need a comma will provided and you need to enter the mission and save. It's very important guys, save that one. You need to save. This work also will done after. You can go down, there is some files available. This is the file RMI dot RMI underscore keystore dot JKS. JKS means Java Key Store. Java Key Store means I am already told na. You will asking something, any some key RMI Key Store JKS files is not working or it's already expired, certificate expired, something error will be came. That time what you need to do na, you can go to the top. There is a file is already available. You can see this one in window computer na, window batch file, create hyphen RMI underscore keystore. Just double click na, you will open in command prompt Windows. Okay, it's already closed. The reason I am already created that one. Okay, what are the things will be asking that one also. Uh, just a minute, I will show you that one. Yeah, you can see the same questions only will ask. There is nothing else. First name and last name only you need to provide the RMI. Remind you can provide anything else, no problem. Last one, yes, will provide. Password is this one. Change it. One time you need to type and you will ask retype. Type the change it. It's done. That issue also it did not came. Once this all the things will done now, you can go to JMeter, go to file, go to restart. Once restart will be done, it's now ready to start. Okay. Okay. You can see the create RMI key store. This key store time, what are the issues will become now? You need to start the test you will showing some errors. I will noted that one. I will show you now. Maybe it's useful for you. Yeah, you can see this is the latest errors. Okay, today only I got it, this one. Error initiating remote server 127.0.0.1. Error is exception creating connection to 127.0.0.1. Nested exception is java.io.file not found exception rmi underscore keystore dot jks. The system cannot find the file specified. This issue means, what is the meaning this one? The certificate file is already expired, rmi underscore keystore dot jks. That time you need to freshly you need to create. What you need to do, you need to solve this issue now. First of all, you need to go double click the create underscore rmi key store, and these steps you need to perform. Okay, once these steps will be done, and restart your jmeter. After you need to start the test now, that issue will be solved. First one will be closed. Second one, the second issue also sometimes will be came. Error initiating remote server 127.0.0.1 connection refused to host 127.0.0.1 nested. Exception is java.net.connect exception. Connection refused connect means the server is request is given to the means client means your mission jmeter will send to the request to the server, but server is not activated, it's not accepting. The meaning is you did not start to the remote server. How we need to start now? You can go to the bin folder. You can see there is a window batch file jmeter server. Jmeter server. Just jmeter server na double click. He will activate it. Just a minute, it will loading that one. Okay, you can see there is a some created remote object and unicode server. This all the things will provided na. Once everything will be activated, this type of file will be came. Now what you need to do now, you need to run the test. Yeah, I will provide the just 10 users, 4 seconds ramp up, infinity. um, just 5 minutes only, not more than 300 seconds I will provide it during the execution. Okay, I will start the test. How we need to work, you need to see. First of all, you need to go to the first, you need to save to the times. After, go to the run. You can see remote all, remote start means I'm example, this is my mission. Okay, this is only my mission only, there is no other missions na. I have only one mission, that reason this is only master, this is only slave. Okay, this is the remote start, single mission you need to execute. Remote start all, example you have multiple missions, you can set up all the settings. What I told instructions same only, you need to start now, it's automatically started all the missions in same time. Remote stop, same mission will be stopped. Remote stop all the missions will be stopped under the test. And remote shutdown all also you need to do. And remote exit all also you need to do. Okay, clear and clear all. Okay, now I need to do only remote start. Okay, now I need to start it. Yeah, don't think it's did not starting something you don't do. This is remote testing, running everything remote only. You can see it activated na 7 8 9 10, total 10 users is activated, time is already started, but this one is not disabled. Okay, it remote testing na, it's working. What you need to do, you can go to the your machine, you can see starting. Okay, starting the test on host 192.168.137.1. Today, Monday, already 12:24 a.m. time now. Monday, January 10, 24 IST 2022. Okay, test is started. Once the test is completed now, automatically this one ending and remaining file also will become. I will show you that one also. Now test is running. It's not GUI mode testing. It's a GUI only. Remote testing will be running. Okay, remotely working means internal only will executing, but you able to see only the time, and the second one is the users will executing, and you can see this is already green color. It is already activated. It's working. Okay. Example, you will run the multiple missions now. That time you able to understand. You have real practical knowledge. You can take any remaining any two computers and set up to the same Wi-Fi network, and you need to perform this one. Yes, 100% will be work. There is no any issues. Otherwise, you have any cloud accounts. Example, uh, Google accounts. Google Cloud will be provided now operating systems. The type of cloud accounts you need to take in, and you need to perform the same type of test. Now that time also you able to work. Okay, just you can wait. Remaining 4 minutes will done the test. Okay, this is only process, guys. There is nothing else. It's a very easy. Okay, this is also interview time. Also will ask so many questions. Majorly everyone what is looking now. Some people will asking only process only, but some people he did not ask process. It's a more experienced people's. Okay, what type of errors you need to face, how you need to solve. You can tell me some errors, how we need to solve the process. Step by step the people will be asking. Okay, you need to practice 2 3 times. That time only you able to answer that questions very easily. You study, read, and you can go your interview na. Your mind is blocked, you're not able to tell single word also. You can practice na, your brain automatically will recognize that one, how we need to do all the things. Okay, beyond practice. Remaining 2 minutes, it's remaining 2 minutes only, we'll done that one. Okay, just remaining some seconds only time. Will done now. You will showing that one will be ended. Yeah, you can see it's all done. Almost it's completed. Remaining 10 seconds will be completed. Yeah, it's completed. Now we need to see will become, yeah, 60 will done. You can see users will be down now. He will come. Finished the test on the host, same IP address, same time. You can see the time will be provided only. The seconds duration of the time only will provided on IST 2022. Okay, start and finished both will be done. the test is completed. This is the way you need to perform the um, GUI mode distributed testing. Okay, I did not given anything, but I will given the simple data writer. File will be given. Previous files, everything will be deleted. The latest file you already generated. Okay, you can give it to the JTL files you need to provide. Otherwise, CSV file you need to provide. After you need to generate the reports also. Okay, there is nothing else, but most of the people you need to prefer to the non-GUI mode and a less memory consumption. GUI mode, more memory consumption. That is only major difference. Performance side, only performance only important. No? You can run to the non-GUI mode only. Yeah, this is the test will executed today only. Okay. Yeah, this is the report. This is the report, guys. There are huge data. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. Yeah, our target is done. How to run distributed load testing in Apache JMeter tool GUI mode remote testing. Okay, this is only method you can easily need to follow just 2-3 times. You need to practice for the first time. After you can easily able to solve, and you can see that time the test performance in time. These two issues will become majorly most of the times. Okay, you can see just this one is JK files. Keystore JKS files is not generated, certificate is not generated. That time will became first one, and second one it's a connection you given to the wrong IP address or a JMeter server. You did not started. You did not starting, and you need to run the test. Now that time also this one will became. You need to check 2-3 times and give the proper configuration settings, and you need to perform the test. Okay, that's all, guys. This video. I will connect to the my next video. Thank you very much.